Hi, my name is Leanna Martens. I'm an Edmonton real estate agent. I'm going to take you on a tour of this South Terwillegar Gardens executive bungalow. It's 2 bedrooms up, 2 bedrooms down, and it's got a full rec room with a movie theater in the basement. It is just shy of 1,700 square feet on the main floor, but don't forget there's still a full basement, triple car garage right here, and there's a school just around the corner. This is typically a downsizer home, and it's beautifully done. It's got hardwood throughout, beautiful, gorgeous, functional floor plan. If you might be considering a move in Edmonton or to Edmonton, reach out to me, my friends. Information below for a discovery call. Let's get in here and see what $777,000 gets you. Hey, thanks for coming on that tour with me. This is one of my favorite eras of build. I like the quality of the build material that they use. And South Terwillegar Gardens is a gorgeous community. If you like that, make sure you watch this because this tells you Edmonton's best communities and River Valley communities to boot. Thanks for watching. My name is Leanna Martens. If you might be considering a move, make sure you reach out to me and my team. Discovery call info below, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.